We are back with more My Southern Home, and I'm here with Lisamarie Ramps with Vadara Quartz, and thanks for joining us today.
Well, thank you for having us.
So this quartz really steals the show in this
Yes,
kitchen.
it does. It marries the two colors together. Luis did a wonderful job. Our white aurora is very popular with many of the clients that come into our showroom to see the full slabs. It's soft and elegant.
It's an amazing experience going to your showroom and seeing the full slabs.
Yes.
And I love watching clients gravitate to a specific design style.
Yes. To fully get the vision for your home, I highly recommend utilizing our showroom and seeing the full slab view, because one little sample in a showroom, you know, the sample could have got cut off of a different part of the slab where it doesn't show everything, even though we do have the QR codes on the back that will pull up the full. But when you see it in person, you actually know that's the one. And I have personally experienced being in that showroom where people came in to look at one color and ended up choosing another.
I've done that.
Yes.
With my quartz. And
Yes.
I remember seeing the full slab and I went up and hugged it. I'm like,
Yes.
this is mine.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Yes.
Why do you feel like so many homeowners have gravitated to quartz over the last 4 to 5 years?
Well, you know, granite was very popular way back when, and then with the upkeep of it, then when quartz came out, you know, you don't have to repolish it. It's, you know, it's a more of a non-porous surface. It doesn't lose its shine. It's very easily maintained, and that's what the new and even a lot of the older kitchen cooks are looking for. They want simplicity. They don't want to spend hours in the kitchen cleaning up after a big family meal.
And Lisamarie, homeowners that are interested in Vadara Quartz and love this kitchen, they can just walk in your showroom anytime.
Yes, Monday through Friday from 8 o'clock till 3 p.m. And they do not need an appointment. The guys will, if someone's not there right away, they have cameras, they can see someone's there, they'll come up and they'll show you into the showroom, or you just walk into the showroom. Like I said, the lights come on as you walk through, and at your leisure, you know, there's placards on each one that tells the customer or the homeowner, tells them the color of it so that they don't forget to tell their fabricator.
Well, thank you so much, Lisamarie.
Well, thank you for having us. I really appreciate it.
We'll be back with more of My Southern Home in just a moment.